Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of me opening AliExpress dollar deals. Let's get straight into this and see what we got this time. Alright, straight out, we see what we got. This one right here is a bag of ducks. Now, if you guys well know, I am a Jeep guy and I have been ducked a lot. And then when my daughter was in town for the summer, she's the one, she likes ducking other Jeepers. And I figure I just order a pack of ducks and just leave it in my Jeep. Now, I personally will not be going out and, ducking other Jeeps, just myself. I guess I'm a guy. I don't know. I don't think I'll see myself doing that. But if I'm somewhere and then I happen to get ducked in person by another Jeeper, and I'll have something to respond to them right away. So I'll have a bag of these ducks in my Jeep just to have it ready so I can return the the gratitude. But yeah, basically a bag of 30 ducks for $9.79. $9.79 for 30 bags of rubber ducks. Great for Jeeping. All right, next up is this one right here. Is a Type-C cable, lanyard cable. As you can see, the way they put it together, pretty cool and handy to have it on the go. Put it in your power bank bag, as you can see right there. There it is, right there. Nice short Type-C male to male adapters. And that didn't even sound good either, but yeah, pretty cool. This one right here, I got it for $1.79. $1.79 for these. Pretty good. Comes in handy. On the go. Has its own little lanyard right there. But $1.79 for it. Pretty cool. I'm gonna probably get more of these to go. Alright, this one right here is basically a, what do you call these? Blade thin spudger, or something. Basically, it's made out of steel. It's used to open up creases and everything, or scrapes that you need. I got these as a handy tool for a set of 2 pieces. $1.03. $1.03 for this nice what do you call it? Basically a thin blade. It's not a knife, but it's used to open up crease tight areas. Pretty cool. Next up is this one right here. Let's see. Okay, looks like a toy, but it's not what you think, or at least what I'm thinking. It is I believe, yeah, this one right here. It's called I believe, a tactical whip. If you can imagine it, if I can only take it out of the, right here, yeah. This is a tactical whip. This one is in black. I believe I got this previously back then, but I don't think I was able to post it. But yeah, I got it in brown. This one I got it in black, as you can see right there. This is a steel cable with a handle, and yeah, I'll put this in my Jeep. Just basically straddling my shifter. As you can see right there, holds in place just like that nicely. I got it in black. This is in black. I got previous one in brown, which doesn't really match the interior of my Jeep, or my Jeep itself is black and white. So this one, $3.19. $3.19 for this. All right, next up This one right here, basically it is a portable lamp light bulb. Let's see if it has any juice in there. Pretty cool. It's just small mini. I'm gonna have these inside my Jeep, or a like a mini emergency kit, and it's good. It comes really handy when, say for example you're going out. Like my situation, I go out to little parties or something, and it lasts all night, and then when night falls, a lot of times they don't have the lighting for us to hang out in the yard or anything. So this one right here, right there, that's how bright it is. Just hang it up onto a patio or something, a line. This one right here went for $1.99. $1.99 for the little mini one. Pretty cool. See right there, you could have yourself a strobe light party. SOS, but yeah, you don't want to have this on. But pretty cool. $1.99 for it. Simple. Alright, next up is a mirror set. This one right here, I believe it comes in, yeah, just one piece, but I ordered 2 of them for each side of my mirror, because the current setup of my mirrors that I have for my Jeep, on top, they're blind spot mirrors. It has the little swivel pin on the bottom. This one just, taped straight on flat, so it doesn't move. The other one, it moves and wobbles a lot, and I had to readjust it frequently. This one right here, I shouldn't have to readjust it that much, since it lays flat. This one right here, $2.79 each. $2.79 each for blind spot mirrors. Pretty cool. All right, next up is this one right here. It says it's an HD camera. I wanted to try it out. The reason I got it for the price, and the reviews wasn't too bad, so I'm gonna see how it works. Basically, it's a camera, that you could just put it in your pocket or whatever. What do you call those? The cameras that police wear or something. But yeah, anyways, I'll look more into it personally myself later. But $5.99. $5.99 for this one. Yeah, there you go. It's called a body camera. So $5.99 body camera. I'll test it out, see how it works. Okay, just leave it open like that. Next up, okay, this one right here, it's a cable phone holder set. It's similar to something like this that I had before. This one happens to be just a round case. It basically holds cables and with a SIM card pin release. And anyways, that's one version. And then this one right here, I like this design better, since it's just a long design, and I believe it's just simply like that. There you go, right there. I got it for $2.59. $2.59. It's basically, like I said, it's a case adapter that holds your cable, and then adapters for I believe a lightning adapter plug type C and a micro SD in there. No, actually maybe they're both type C's with the lightning charger adapter. But yeah, this one right here can go into my travel bag and everything. Pretty cool. Okay, next up, another, but this one is not a whip. This one happens to be a magnetic reach, and you're able to bend it, everything. This one is, I believe it's called a magnetic pickup bendable snake tool. So pretty cool. Let's see if I have anything metal. I don't want to use any magnetic, but here. No, this is not steel. All right, let's get something that is steel. I believe right here. This one is steel. There you go, guys. So, you know, you have something lost in the crevices or something, you can use this snake and then bend it to the shape where you lost your screws or anything in there. Pretty cool. This one right here was $1.99, $1.99 for a bendable snake rod or whatever. But yeah, I'll just leave it in the bag for now. All right, that should be it. And let's put it together so it looks presentable, sort of. Maybe like that. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Ooh. Center it. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. Till next time. Peace.